Tutorial, primary technique. I am starting with the yellow pencil. I use it gently on the wings and body. This will be the base layer for the bird. The strokes are soft and even, filling the space. Yellow is bright and warm, giving life to the drawing. Now I switch to the blue pencil. It is used for shadows and dark areas. The blue adds depth and contrast slowly. I carefully shade the sections that need darkness. Mixing with yellow later will give more tones. Finally, I take the red pencil. I add it to the wings and the head. Red gives an orange hue when combined with yellow. I also put red on the blue areas to darken them. The bird starts to look vivid and lively now.